Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to keep a door unlatched with a rubber band. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this door, and the way that a door latches closed is through this piece right here. If this piece is not fully outward, then you can actually make sure that the door does not get latched. So if this piece is either all the way in or even almost all the way in, you can ensure that the door will likely not latch, especially if there's something that is preventing it from latching, something specific over it. So how do you do that? You do it with a rubber band. That's how you do it, okay? So you take the rubber band, you wrap it around like that on one end, okay, as you see right there. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to go and I'm going to wrap it around the other side as well. Okay, just like that. I'm going to wrap it around the other side as well. And you want to try and get that twist to be over top of the actual part that we're trying to prevent from latching. So right here, you can see that twist in the rubber band is directly over top of this part right here. Now, what's going to happen is this will actually prevent the door from closing, but it will prevent the door from latching closed. So if you tighten it up, let's say I stretch this rubber band, right? If you tighten up the rubber band, what's going to happen is it's going to hold it even further. So you can do it even tighter or get a larger, thicker rubber band and really prevent it from latching, okay? So if it was tighter, it would look something like that, which would prevent the door from latching closed. If you want to prevent the door from closing, this is a very useful and practical way to do it. There are other ways to do it as well, but this is extremely practical because it's so easy and it's really simple. And most of the time, the rubber band even being along the edge here might even prevent the door from closing entirely. Not only will it prevent it from latching, but it will likely prevent it from closing as well because the rubber band is going to stop it from actually closing. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.